Whispers of light in the velvet dawn, awakening souls where the shadows are gone. In the hush of the east, where the horizon sleeps, golden threads weave through the misty veil so deep. Petals unfurl in a silent sacred plea, breathing in the promise of what is yet to be. The earth's quiet pulse, a rhythm soft and true, carries healing waves from the skies anew. Mountains awaken with crowns of rosy fire, rivers murmur secrets of ancient desire. Leaves tremble lightly, kissed by the first warm ray, releasing the night's weight, letting worry sway. In this cradle of light, the spirit finds its flight, mending fractured dreams under heaven's soft sight. Oh, dawn's whispering embrace, hold me near, fill my heart with the light that casts out fear. In your glow I am whole, I am free. Energy flows like a boundless sea, peace in every breath, joy in every gleam, therapy of the soul in this waking dream. Song rises like a chorus from the dell. Stars fade gently, bidding farewell to their spells. The air hums with life, a symphony so pure, washing clean the echoes of sorrow's allure. Roots drink deeply from the soil's tender care, healing the hidden wounds we scarcely bear. Fields of wildflowers nod in reverent bow, the sun's tender gaze makes the wild world glow. Time pauses here in this luminous birth, where the universe whispers of infinite worth. Let the light seep into veins like liquid gold, restoring the balance that stories have told. Beyond the veil of blue, galaxies spin in grace, echoing dawn's gift across endless space. In the heart of the cosmos, your essence aligns, threads of stardust mend what time undermines. Dawn's embrace lingers, a soft endless song. In the light we are one, forever strong. whisper fade to silence, yet the healing stays. Awaken joy through eternal days.